Tea is my thing. Oh. What do you like? Green tea or black tea? I love green tea. Thank you so much guys for your time. Doctor said coffee is bad. Yeah, I think so. But in the morning, my life without coffee, I think it's not it's incomplete. I try to avoid drink coffee, but I don't know. Any tea is good for me. Okay. Sometimes I love black coffee with milk, but green tea without sugar. Laro Sigrist. Hi, host. Hello, make love shout to you, Laro. Sarina G. Here it's only 3 people. Thank you so much. 3 people in the house. Now it's 4. Thank you for your thumbs up, guys. Okay, understand. Enjoy your week. Thank you so much. Same to you, Titos. John hitting the like. Thank you so much, Laro. Where are you from, Timtos? Timantos, sorry. Thank you so much, guys. I just had my quick live now because later I will do my laundry. Today is my day off. So while I'm in my breakfast, just do live for a few minutes. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up, Laro. Where are you from, Laro? Secret. Yes. What's in the icon? Touch. Laguna, oh my God. Nagbalok-baloktot pa yung English ko dito, Laguna lang pala kayo. Kamusta po? Nasa Laguna po ba kayo ngayon? Kasi yun nasa iba yata parang ano ibang lahi. Ano kasi po yung ano nyo? Parang ngayon ko lang narinig yung last name nyo, si Grace. Yes, ay. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Matagal na po kayo nag-YouTube? Yung sa akin, matagal na ito kaso lang, hindi lang na ano, ngayon lang ako nag-live ulit. Busy kasi lagi sa work pag ano lang, pag day off, pag naisip, minsan nakakalimutan na.